Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Yay! Gonna do our daily what sold video. Look on the screen there. 26 orders, 242. That's almost like a week's worth of sales. A little discombobulated this morning. I sent out a whole bunch of offers yesterday, 25% off, clearing stuff out of the store. So yeah, 26 orders, 242. We have Havre de Grace, Maryland, Millard Tidings Park, Yacht Basin, $7 on a best offer. There's that one. And next we have St. John, let me see, St. John, Maryland, St. John Rock. It's Big Savage Mountain near Frostburg, Maryland. Punctuation would help, but it takes up title space. $30 on a best offer for that card. I've never seen that view before near Frostburg. This is Sterling, Sterling, New Jersey, St. Joseph Shrine. There's that one. $5 best offer. Been up for, 8 years or so. This is Bradford, Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania Railroad Station and Motor Car. That's 1916 maybe? Yeah, 1916. $16.49 for that card. Next is World War I era silk embroidery, Allies, flags, Canada, Russia, Belgium, France. I love these cards. I think they're awesome. I wish I knew if they were hand stitched or machine stitched. I don't know, but they're pretty awesome. World War I era, soldiers overseas would send these back home. You can see there's a little note inside that there's a little flap that flips up, and there's a little note card. $9.99. I wish those sold for more. I think they're gorgeous. This is Bellow Falls, Vermont, Steamtown, USA, Engine 15. Have a whole bunch of these. Came in the auction lots from last August. $1.99. This is Swimming Pool, Indian Point, Hudson River, New York, hand colored. Hand colored Albert type. $14.99. Could have been on a best offer. I'm just assuming that most of these are best offers, 25% off. This is Reno, Nevada, waterfall into the Truckee River. And that sold for $12.99 on a best offer. Valentine's, To My Valentine, boy holding heart, girl in blue dress. I don't know the artist. 1910, $5.99. Came in that big postcard buyout I did a video on, 3 years ago, almost coming up on now. 2.5 anyway. Thanksgiving greetings, turkeys singing their lives were spared. So Thanksgiving card, $3.50 on a best offer. Pottstown, Pennsylvania, Saratoga Amusement Park, Lake and Coaster. Didn't have enough room for roller coaster, so coaster would be enough. Took a best offer, $15. They paid $3.50 shipping. This is Bingham, Utah, copper mine, heavy machinery, electric shovel. Been up for 8-9 years. $6.99. Another one that's been up for quite a while with this horrible maroonish red background. Virginia, Newport News, aerial view on Hampton Roads. Some bad creasing on there, some ink staining, and still sold for $6.99. I had much better copies available than that one. This is Hong Kong as seen in 1860, a view of Victoria circa 1970s card. So this is a reprinting of a much earlier view. Yeah, Hong Kong doesn't look like that anymore. Sent in 1972, probably produced in 1972. From the collection of something. So it's a reprint, but still $9.74. Humor, black cat eyeing fish and bird, looks like gonna be lots doing. So, bad kitty. $249. Have a whole bunch of those. Ocean City, Maryland. This is the Maryland Hotel. Or maybe that's the Hotel Atlantic and Beach. Jeez, I cannot talk today. 1950s, $8.99. World War II era military humor, soldiers, a bikini girl, hot dog stand. Yeah, came in a big auction buyout. I did $2.99. Have a lot of those. Same person who bought the other Valentines bought this one. Dutch Boy with Large Heart Girl, 1909. Looks like from the same series. Might even be the same card. Silverton, Colorado, San Juan County Courthouse, real photo. $20.99 for that card. And this is San Francisco, California, Canton Bazaar, first store opening after fire, Chinatown. Sold for $9.99. The best sale of the day. This card's been up for probably 8 to 9 years. And I only have one picture, and it's only of the back. So I think this was a time when eBay had lost some people's second pictures. Or who knows, I would have never have listed this with only the back picture. I would have caught that. But anyway, yeah, back of the card. Who needs a picture of the front of the postcard? I found it. I had it. I had to look through the backs of the cards. But yeah, $6.99. Someone paid for the back of the card. And it's been up forever. Ooh, look at all that. Look at a word. Too many words. But yeah, $6.99. Okay. South Atlantic City, New Jersey, Margate, New Jersey, Elephant Hotel, Landmark. These always sell for me. Even the Chromes sell. They sit for a while, but they eventually sell. $10 on a best offer. Large letter greetings from Plymouth, Pennsylvania. Pretty much just a generic view, large letter Pennsylvania, and then they just print over top the specific smaller town or city. $5.99. Carlisle, Pennsylvania, Sadler Kirtledge, Student Dorms, Dickinson School of Law. There's that. $8.49. Next is Marie Stoldholm. I don't know, British actress, singer, real photo, portrait. Looks like I had 5 of these, at least 5 of them. I could only find this one in the box, so they must have sold recently. $8.49. And then we have Woodland, California, Yolo County, California, Hall of Records, 1912. Words are hard today. $7.99. I'm not. I have a couple auctions, one on Saturday, and I already put out the auction thing for next Tuesday and then the following Saturday. Almost filling up, so if you have any requests for specific lots, let me know. There will be a preview video out later today. And just a reminder, Paper Goy from Million Dollar Peddlers has his show today at 4, so go check him out. The continuing saga of that, the airplane cards. Let's talk about that real quick. So just to refresh, if you don't remember from yesterday, I had a buyer using like 5 different usernames come in and buy 2 postcards over 5 different transactions using 5 different screen names. It just was super fishy to me anyway. So they got back and said, they were having some type of issues. They only have one user ID. I said, hey, thanks for letting me know. I've been selling for over 24 years. I've never seen it. Just wanted to make sure you want me to cancel the other ones, correct? And their response didn't answer if they wanted me to cancel, just that oddity of the events as this situation or any situation, I kept on thinking my payment had not gone through. So I guess he doesn't want them canceled. So I just called eBay and I said, hey, I've never seen this before. It just seems fishy. What does eBay want me to do? How does eBay want me to handle it? And after speaking to the overseas rep that was very hard to understand, finally heard that send them. They're paid for. Send them. Okay, eBay, do you have my back? We have your back if something goes wrong. So this guy, he's getting 5 different shipments, pretty much of the same order. So it'll be interesting to see how that turns out. But yeah, I thought that was the strangest thing I've seen recently. I've called eBay customer service more in the last 2 weeks than I have in the last probably 20 years, it seems. Just trying to get rid of negatives, which all finally got taken care of, and just figuring out some other stuff. So anyway, just thought that was interesting. Wanted to give you an update. That's it. Hope your sales are incredible. Thank you for watching.